Let's begin by combining water, yeast, honey, and flour. Mix thoroughly, then refrigerate the mixture for 2 hours to allow it to ferment. Once fermented, incorporate additional flour and salt into the dough. Knead it, gradually adding water until the dough reaches a soft, sticky consistency. Coat both the dough and the vessel with 1 teaspoon of olive oil and let it rest for 30 minutes. While the dough is resting, let's prepare the sauce by roasting 3 tomatoes and garlic. Season with oregano and dill according to taste, then blend until smooth. Divide the dough into 3 pieces and let it rest for another 40 minutes. Once the dough has risen, spread it out using your hands. Prepare some mozzarella cheese for later use. Then coat the pizza with the sauce. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes until the edges are crispy. Afterward, add the mozzarella cheese or your favorite pizza topping on top of the pizza and bake for an additional 10 minutes. And there you have it! A delicious homemade pizza with crispy edges is now ready to be enjoyed.